In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a silent symphony of celestial objects plays out. Stars are born, planets form, and galaxies swirl through the universe. In this grand cosmic dance, a groundbreaking discovery occurred in 2015. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, a planet-hunting marvel, identified a planet orbiting a star much like our own sun. This new world was given the name Kepler-452b. A planet that has since captivated the imaginations of scientists and dreamers alike. Kepler-452b orbits a star, very similar to our Sun, a G-type star. This star lies about 1,400 light-years away from us, in the constellation Cygnus. While this may seem like an unimaginable distance, it's important to remember the vast scales of the universe. Finding a planet so similar to Earth, orbiting a star like our Sun, at this distance is a remarkable discovery. This discovery marked a turning point in our search for life beyond Earth. Kepler-452b quickly earned the nickname Earth's cousin due to its striking similarities to our home planet. For the first time, we had found a planet that seemed like it could potentially support life as we know it. The discovery of Kepler-452b was a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit to understand our place in the universe. It opened a new chapter in our exploration of the cosmos, hinting at the possibility that we might not be alone. What makes Kepler-452b so extraordinary is its position within what astronomers call the habitable zone. This zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it, so finding a planet in the habitable zone is a major clue that it could potentially support some form of life. Kepler-452b orbits its star at a distance that places it squarely within this sweet spot. This prime location means that the planet receives a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth receives from the Sun. This is a critical factor in determining a planet's potential habitability. The habitable zone isn't a static ring, its location depends on the size and temperature of the star. Smaller, cooler stars have habitable zones closer in, while larger, hotter stars have habitable zones farther out. Kepler-452b's star is very similar to our Sun in size and temperature, so its habitable zone is in a similar position. The presence of Kepler-452b in the habitable zone is an exciting clue, but it's important to remember that being in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee a planet can support life. Other factors, such as the planet's atmosphere and its composition, also play a vital role. Kepler-452b is often referred to as Earth's older, bigger cousin, and for good reason. It shares some striking similarities with our home planet, but also has some key differences. Understanding these similarities and differences is essential to painting a clearer picture of this distant world. In terms of size, Kepler-452b is about 60% larger than Earth and has a mass about 5 times greater. This makes it a super-Earth, a class of planets larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. The increased gravity on Kepler-452b would be noticeable to anyone standing on its surface. Kepler-452b's year is 385 days long, just 20 days longer than Earth's. This similarity in orbital period is another intriguing parallel between the two planets. It suggests that Kepler-452b might also have distinct seasons, although their intensity and duration could be different due to its larger size and potentially different axial tilt. While we know a fair bit about Kepler-452b's size and orbit, its atmosphere and composition remain shrouded in mystery. Scientists believe it's likely a rocky planet like Earth, but we don't yet have definitive proof. Further observations and analysis are needed to determine the exact makeup of its atmosphere and surface. Section 4. Could life exist on Kepler-452b? The possibility of life existing on other planets is a question that has intrigued humanity for centuries. With the discovery of Kepler-452b, this question has taken on a new urgency. Could this distant world, located in the habitable zone of its star, actually harbor some form of life? One of the most exciting aspects of Kepler-452b is its age. It's estimated to be about 6 billion years old, roughly 1.5 billion years older than our own solar system. This means that life on Kepler-452b, if it exists, has had significantly more time to evolve and develop than life on Earth. The longer a planet has been in the habitable zone, the greater the chances that life could have emerged and flourished. If Kepler-452b has always been in the habitable zone, it raises some tantalizing questions about the potential complexity and diversity of life that could exist there. However, it's crucial to remember that age and location are just two pieces of the puzzle. We still don't know if Kepler-452b has the necessary ingredients for life, such as liquid water, a stable atmosphere, and the right chemical building blocks. Section 5. A long way from home. While the thought of a potentially habitable planet like Kepler-452b is thrilling, the sobering reality is that it lies incredibly far away. At 1,400 light-years distant, it would take us an extraordinarily long time to reach Kepler-452b with our current technology. To put this distance into perspective, consider that the Voyager 1 spacecraft, the farthest human-made object from Earth, is currently traveling at a speed of about 38,000 miles per hour. At this speed, it would take Voyager 1 roughly 26 million years to reach Kepler-452b. This vast distance presents a significant challenge to our exploration efforts. Even with future advancements in propulsion technology, reaching Kepler-452b within a human lifetime seems highly improbable. However, this doesn't mean we should abandon the dream of interstellar travel altogether. The challenges posed by the sheer distances involved in space travel are immense, but they also inspire us to think creatively and innovate. Perhaps one day, we'll develop technologies that allow us to traverse the cosmos at speeds previously unimaginable. Section 6. A future home among the stars? The discovery of Kepler-452b has sparked countless questions about the potential for life beyond Earth, and the possibility of one day finding a new home for humanity among the stars. While we don't yet have the answers, the very act of searching for them pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and inspires us to dream big. Could Kepler-452b be a future home for humanity? The answer remains elusive. It's a planet ripe with possibilities, but also shrouded in unknowns. Further observations and research are needed to unlock its secrets and determine if it could truly support life or even become a future outpost for our species. Regardless of whether Kepler-452b turns out to be habitable or not, its discovery has fundamentally shifted our perspective. It serves as a reminder that we are not alone in the universe. There are likely countless other planets out there, some of which might harbor life more strange and wonderful than we can even imagine. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore, we may find that Earth is just one small planet in a cosmos teeming with life, and perhaps one day, we'll find another world we can call home.